So, what is liquidity? In simple terms, liquidity is an area or a level where business was conducted previously. Institutions purchase a price at a specific level, and some retail traders end up taking advantage of the institutional sponsorship and take the trade. And our main objective here is to find out where these retail traders' stop losses rest at. So, in this example, you can see price being purchased at this demand level, and we're not focused on the entry or why price was purchased there. We're looking at if some retail traders took advantage of this trade, where would their stop losses rest at? Their stop losses would rest at the near swings. And this is where the liquidity will be rested. So let's get into this. So the first type of liquidity we're going to cover is your support and resistance liquidity, which is your equal highs and equal lows. As you can see, price found resistance at this specific level. What does that mean? That means institutions sold at this level and retail traders might have taken advantage of this. So now this level is incentivized to attract price, and it will act as a magnet for price to later do what? Run over this level. So as you can see here, price is finding resistance, and this level will be used as a magnet for price to run through it. So next, we're going to cover the trendline liquidity. If you look here, you don't see equal lows. You can't pinpoint where the resistance is coming from. Now, it could be coming from internal liquidity, but a lot of times retail traders use what you call a trend line. And now liquidity is resting underneath the trend line. So now that trend line becomes a magnet to attract price. So here we have an example of trendline liquidity. Price rejected from the trend line and attracted price. So next up, you have your FTB, your failed to break liquidity. As you can see here, you have a supply level formed and price approaches this level and rejects. So now you have evidence that that level was valid and retail traders might be a part of that move. So anybody that purchased price at that level, their stop losses would go on the swing above. And above that